What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna do a quick unboxing, show you some products that I got, and also show you this thing. I'm on my Osmo Pocket 3. I've been mulling over, trying to figure out how to do more POV type videos so that I could start doing more detailing content again, which was the whole point, honestly, of getting a vehicle that could fit back in the garage and whatnot, and get back into the therapy portion of detailing, which is why I loved detailing in the first place. I don't make profit from detailing, I just make peace from detailing. I guess, you know, there's a different P, but it's still better for me to do it than to not. So I've got a couple boxes here I ordered from the House of Rags. I'm gonna show you the two boxes. I was talking with my buddy Eddie, EC Details. He's one of the partners from the House of Rags, THOR. So the thing is, I purchased stuff. I know what I purchased, and then he snuck some stuff into there as well. So I'm gonna see. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of this. I don't honestly know everything that's in here, and I'm sure I'm gonna be pretty excited to give things a shot. And then right after this, I'm gonna try this bad boy out. This new K&F Concept wide angle. So what I did is I bought something to put my Pocket 3 on my chest until I get a hold of those Ray-Ban Meta sunglasses, eyeglasses, whatever, to try to do more POV stuff. I'm not going to be doing the cutesy little noises and edits and short video content, but I might actually start doing some stuff where I just record and then voice over here and there, just to make it easier to do things, because to be honest with you, it's not easy with my schedule. I'm not trying to complain, I'm just trying to find solutions. I love you guys, that's why. So I'm gonna, look at this, by the way. This is like what the field of view is, and now this is with this wide angle thing, which is what I plan on doing for POV, because I want to be able to get more of a vast area here. I don't need to like focus on one specific thing, like I'm not zooming in, but check this out, ready? Look at that. That actually works pretty cool. This is one of the first times I've tried that and actually like have seen, like, look at how much area that opens up. Now imagine that on this gimbal thing on my neck strap, just hanging out, chilling, and we're gonna see if this works. But actually, you know what? I might leave this on and this works. So this is what we're working with here. These are the two boxes that I was sent. In all honesty and all transparency, I very much ordered enough for probably just one box, even though obviously the order was pricey because of the things I ordered. I've been wanting to try a couple different products, and they ended up being pretty much the first that had garage therapy products that I've seen. That I could order without paying a very big premium to get this stuff shipped from overseas. I've always watched videos. These UK detailers just have it made. They have such an array of things that they get to just have access to, and very good companies. So I know I got some of that stuff in here. So I do know that I am expecting things of that nature in here, as well as other stuff, I believe. I didn't want to look at the manifesto because I want to know. No manifesto because I want to know. So let's open this stuff up. I've talked far too long. So let me just give you a quick rundown of what I see, and then I'll tell you if this is something that I ordered or even know about. Let me see, cutting off the top of my head. Then if you don't see enough hair, it looks like you got a giant 5 head, not even a 4 head, it's up there. So let's take a look at what we got. So the first order of business here, we've got Detail Co. Neutral Soap, Soft Wash. So now I've got the regular neutral soap, so I'm excited to check that out. So this, wow. See, this is what I like. He threw some stuff in here. Oh, hey now. I don't even know who makes this or what this is, but I'm going to try it out. This is a leather cleaner, sandalwood scent. Eddie, my man. My boy knows me because I have a thing for sandalwood. Not just wood, but that's pretty clean. That's a pretty clean like scent for a leather cleaner. This is for interior, obviously, leather cleaner, sandalwood scent. I need to check this out. Obviously, this is from Poland. It's a Polish company. See, that's what I love about detailing. And that's what I really thank you again for the House of Regs. I get to try out stuff. That's what we all love to do. Give stuff a shot and see what's going on here. What is this? See, this is something I definitely was looking forward to. I've watched videos and I've been so jealous. This is by Garage Therapy. This is tire serum. And I've seen some pretty cool things. And it doesn't have a fruity smell, but it's got a good smell. Not that a smell on a tire dressing should matter, but you know, you never know. This is Lightning Detail Spray by Detail Co. You know what? I'm gonna give this a whiff too anyway. Come on. Oh, I can already smell it. Ooh. 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 That smells really good. If you know me from previous videos, I'm not a big detail spray fan, but I will give this a shot. So we've got 4 big bottles. Oh, here we go. So I definitely ordered this and was super excited. Chemex, I've been following this guy. I love his content, his videos. You know, let me turn this a little bit more so we have less blinding light. I've been following this guy's content, his personality, his videos, everything about this guy just reeks of cool. He's just like a genuine dude. His voice, you just can tell he's not full of bullshit. So I like that, and I like the results I see that he gets. This is Old Glory. It's a touch-free active foam. So that was another thing I wanted to scoop because his stuff is pricey, but I can tell you right now it's absolutely going to be worth it because it works. This is heavy-duty wheel cleaner and degreaser, so I want to give this a shot as well. A lot of his stuff is just heavily dilutable, so I'm excited, but this was the one that I was like the most excited about. Stars and Stripes, I've seen content after content posted about this being as close to an honest-to-God true touchless situation/system. I'm like having a problem with the S's and that word for some reason. This is something that I'm excited. There's a step 1 and a step 2. And this actually will go hand in hand with videos that I do have planned with the pressure washers and a pressure washer wand accessory that I'm going to be doing. So that's almost it in here. There's 2 boxes though. I have no clue what this is. Kataba? I have no idea. This says signature wax. So I need to know. I have to open this. I don't know what's going on in here. This is definitely, whoa, look at this, dude. I don't know if you can actually see because the lighting is terrible. Wait, how do I make this better? Oh, there we go. Look at this dude is just chilling there on the couch with 2 cats. I'm allergic to cats, but I don't know what is going on here with this. What is all this? Oh my God, it's got a safety seal. Never do that. Don't do what I just did. Do not put your freaking lips on that stuff. Man, OCD, what are you doing with your life? That's pungent. Holy mother of Christ. That smells, you know what that gives off for me? Car Pro Reload, but like on a higher tier. I just ate it. But it's, you know, I guess it's going to wax me up signaturely. So this is a flagship spray sealant. I grew up in the old school portion of detailing with paste wax and sealants and stuff. As I started and had just been like getting into my flow, that's when coatings started to come out. So I'm old, all right, guys, I'm old. You know, I don't look as old as I am, but I'm old. I'm creeping to a 4 on my age, and it's not good. Gloss Booster by Kataba. I gotta figure out how to pronounce that because I definitely don't want to disrespect the name. You know what I'm saying? This lady, she's got resting bitch face for sure. And she's got a tattoo. Oh, I thought she had that dude tattooed by her crotch. That's crazy behavior, dude. Flagship products. Oh, they're South Korea products. All right, I am not gonna do this again. So what we're not gonna do is eat this, but I will give it a sniff. It kind of smells like the other one, but just like less aggressive. So These bottles are cool. This is like some cool artwork. So obviously, like all my videos, this is turning out to be extremely long. So this is box number dos. Gringo Loco said dos. This probably has a lot more of the, oh, come on now, of the stuff that I ordered and know about. So again, like I told you, Garage Therapy, this is their wheel shampoo. So real quick, again, it's already, what is it, already over 10 minutes. Once it passes 10 minutes, then I just stopped giving a flying flipperoonie at that point. But I tried wheel foam by Yum in my wheel bucket while I was cleaning. And honestly, like, you don't necessarily need to do stuff like this if you have a dedicated wheel and tire cleaner. I just used Dark Fury for the first time. I'm gonna be doing a whole dedicated video on that. What an experience. I really genuinely liked that product. I think I'm gonna try to open up my garage door until this goddamn guy starts with the leaf blower, because he's gonna do it. But let me give this a sniff. Surprisingly, this doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would, but it doesn't smell as good as I hoped it would. It's like really neutral. It's not, it's like say you sprayed a fart spray and then immediately right after that you sprayed cologne. I feel like that could be an idea of how to describe that. Okay, Garage Therapy rinseless. This is another one I was excited about. Like anything rinseless, that's the videos I'm gonna start doing a ton of because I gotta get caught up. I have so many rinseless wash products, you would throw up. And I bought them all thinking like, oh, I'm gonna really do all this content and stuff. And then what ended up happening is my dumminess bought this Escalade that just couldn't ever fit in the garage, and I just couldn't wash it. And then I got lazy. It's my fault, my bad. There's no excuses for that. It's more cleaner than it is fruit, which I kind of like. And then I'm going to give it the quick test. As soon as I shake this, it's probably going to froth and foam. And I'll see if it's got some stuff in there. Yeah, hold on. Does it show? You can't see it? Yeah. I like when you see that because, listen, I'm not a chemist. So maybe that just means there's more surfactants or whatever in there. Could be, maybe not. I don't know. Product, I have no idea what the hell this is. So black is a dedicated ultra high performance exterior dressing. Okay. I mean, listen, I don't know why I do this to myself, but, whoa, that's, I don't know what to think of that smell. So it's a tire and trim dressing. You know what's hard to do? Like, I can test things on tires. That's easy, but I don't have faded trim. My vehicles have never been that old. So, you know, what I really want to start doing is getting friends and maybe some followers involved in this little thing and start doing little video where I get like donation cars to bless them with a little detail so I could start testing out some more products so I could let you know if I had an easy time with it or not, and if I liked it or not. Not that, you know, my opinion is some kind of like end-all be-all type of something. This is called Concentrated Snow Foam by this company as well. Highly concentrated, ultra high performance, pH neutral snow foam. So what I do know with the pH neutral is I enjoy that because I'm not a real detailer. I'm not a real boy. But what I do know is this smells like butt cheeks. This does not smell good. It doesn't smell terrible. I mean, it's like I worked out for 20 minutes butt cheeks, not I ran a marathon butt cheeks, but it's still cheeks. It's cheeks. Concentrated snow foam. You know what? It's like I got spoiled though with Active Foam by the Chemi of Crotch. Another one of this. This is called Release Concentrated Citrus Pre-Wash. I got to do more research into this company. Obviously, it's got to be good. If Eddie sent it to me, he's definitely vetted them. I'm sure he's got. It's just a APC. Basically, concentrated citrus pre-wash. So I'm gonna check this out, and you know what I like? There's lots of dilution options on these things for heavy soiling, medium soiling, and light soiling. So I'm gonna have options to try to test things out, whether it be cleaning tires, cleaning fender liners, cleaning the engine bay, cleaning this, cleaning that, exhaust tips, whatever the case may be, or my wife's dirty car, which is just technically always dirty. This I was actually looking forward to getting because I'm actually going to be doing a video on this in a minute. This is Rinseless Wash by Detail Co. Nemesis. So, you know what's funny? Their bottle is so thick that I can't even see the sudsing in there. It smells good. It's got a nice smell, like a clean body smell, not cheeks like the other one, but a clean body smell. Oh my God, we still got 3 more things in here. What is going on, Eddie? Jesus Christmas, dude. So this is Glossify, 1 million scent. Wait a minute. So this is sandalwood. Does that mean Paco Rabanne 1 million? Wait a minute. I don't know. That could be their impression of it. So this is gonna probably be just a detail spray. And this is a leather cleaner. And then this one here is their orange juice scent industrial degreaser. So another APC. You know, it's kind of good though. I had a lot of all-purpose cleaners that, you know, in all transparency, I bought with all the intention of using, and I just never used them quick enough. And honestly, yeah, this smells like some goodness. This guy's gonna turn this thing back on in 2 seconds. Ready? Wait, he's struggling. He's struggling a little bit. His little muscles are pulling the string. Oh, there he goes. God damn you. God damn you. And what we have is, last but certainly not least, your favorite Canadian YouTuber, Pan the Organizer, with his product, Clean by Pan the Organizer, Rinseless Wash. I've been watching videos. I just saw him post a story about he's got a wheel and tire cleaner coming out, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to have to probably scoop that when it comes out. Smells good too. Smells good too. So it's got a nice clean scent to it. It's going to be nice to work with. But what I am going to be doing is checking out the Detail Co. Rinseless Wash today. So I'm going to end up ending this video. Thank you so much, Eddie. This is awesome. There's a whole lot here. This is quite a bit here. Let me see if I could show you. Quite a decent haul. I got quite the mess to clean up, but I truly appreciate it, brother. Thank you. I can't wait to start making some videos. You gave me quite a little variety here from companies I never even heard of. So I'm going to be doing some more research, some more digging into the world about this product and this brand, and definitely this company, because this just looks ballerific. So anyway, thank you so much. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD, hey, OG, I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for sticking around. I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. Let's start using some of these damn products the best we can. I got vacation coming up, and I got mods coming, and I'm trying to get this done. We're gonna do the best we can. I love you all. Let's get to it.